Did he eat his cookies? I think he wrote you a note. You want to read it?
Whoa, what's this?
Santa left a note for you.
It says, Dear Caroline and Ellie, thank you so much for the kisses, the candy, and the cookie. They were delicious. Have a Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus.
Oh, let me open my dump truck. It's my dump truck. It's my dump truck. My dump truck.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Who brought that for you?
Santa.
Wow.
Santa. Yeah, Santa.